All right, Mama's iPod repair part 5, the penultimate episode. So, I've got everything ready to squish it together and give it the final test. So, I've got the adhesive in, folding the pieces together, squashing it together. Might as well clean this old tape off the back. Let's give it a little alcohol scrub. Clean this tape residue off the back. Nothing worse than a sticky iPod. Looks like it's got a few dents in the back. It's got some nasty tape residue right there. And then of course I'm pressing it down, securing all that adhesive at the same time. It looks pretty good. Looks like it's decided to turn on during all that button pressing. Looks like it's a little bit loose up here at the top. Adhesive isn't quite as good as I would have hoped. Let's give it a power up. See what we got. Let's pull this protective cover off. Looks like we got a little crud there. So it's a little bit loose. Let's try some things. Let's see. Let's try the camera. Let's see. Okay, back-facing camera. That looks good. Let's try front camera. Okay, front camera. Camera looking at camera. Camera looking at me. So it looks like I didn't destroy the camera. We don't really use record, so we probably don't. Looks like the button's slightly rotated. I can live with that. Battery's a little bit low. Let's charge it up. Appears to be working. So this seems to be a success, except for this little looseness here. I'm going to have to look at that more carefully, but that is, I think, a simple thing. So there you have it. Mama's iPod repair in 5 short, simple steps.